everyone, I'm Jordan Smith, President and CEO of Rapido Trains Inc. And today we're going to have a tour of the Rapido headquarters and see what everyone's doing. Come on along. Okay, and welcome to our lounge where members of the public can stop by, say hello, and apparently where our staff can also just have a nap in the middle of the day. Well, let's go see some people in the office that are actually working today. Okay, so this is Dan Darnell, one of our lead project managers. What are you working on, Dan?
We got the new LRC cars, the N-scale version, and they've been running for about a half hour on an 11-inch curve, and we're about to put them in reverse.
Oh, that's awesome. Oh, they're running perfectly.
Yeah, don't see any issues yet.
Oh, hey Josh, what are you working on today?
Oh, hello, Mr. President. I'm working on an advertisement for the rebuilt Via Rail F40 PHs.
Oh, that's awesome. That looks like it could be HO.
Believe it or not, it's N-scale. It's amazing, isn't it?
It is. So Josh, what would you say it is that you do here?
Well, when I'm not sleeping in the front of the office, when Jason's not looking, most of the time I do either advertisements, I design a lot of the manuals, I also do paint diagrams for a lot of the models we're making, factory corrections, review anyone else's drawings. I kind of do everything. Well,
Nice.
almost everything.
Almost.
Yes,
Most things.
most things.
Excellent. Thanks, Josh. That's awesome.
Hey, no problem. See you later, Mr. President.
All right, let's see what's next.
It's closed-toed. I want it open-toed for
Hey, Janet,
Somerset.
what's going on in here?
And if you don't pay your bill on time, we will never send you another model again. Goodbye.
That's what I thought. This is Janet, our CFO. Her job is to make sure the bills are paid on time.
Are we done here? I've got work to do.
Yeah, let's go and have a look at the warehouse here.
Are you still there? Yeah, I want 3 pairs.
Okay, so this is Dave, our warranty and parts expert. Let's see what he's doing right now. Hey, Dave, how's it going?
Not bad. Right now I'm working on an FP7. It's got a lighting issue with the front number boards.
All right. Is that too hard to fix or pretty straightforward?
Some engines are easy and some engines are hard. It depends on what they are, what the problem is.
Yep.
Because the Rapido has grown so much, I am swamped right now. I could use a hand at some of these repairs.
Yeah, for sure. Like Dave said, if you're in the Greater Toronto area and you're skilled at fixing model trains, we'd love to hear from you. Just send us an email and we'll see what we can set up. Thanks, Dave.
Thanks.
All right, let's see what Dan's working on. Didn't I just see you a minute ago?
Yeah,
The other
I
way?
do work for a living.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Well, what are you working on there?
Well, the new 1200 RS. I got the Grand Trunk and the SP ones right at the moment. I'm looking at the dimensions of the number boards to our file from China and just making sure they got it all correct.
Yeah, that's awesome. Ooh, the SP ones are looking good.
Yeah.
All those lights
there's
going to work there?
Yeah, we're designing it with a circuit board in the back with 3 SMDs mounted together. And, the whole concept with this is it's a modular based unit, so we can swap out steps, different hoods, different ends, cabs, doors. Basically we can build anything from an NW2 and up.
Oh, that's excellent.
So,
I need those for my my layout, eh?
what layout, eh?
The one that I'm going to build.
Oh, the one in your mind, okay. Yeah. Okay, I do have to get some work done. Can you just be on your way?
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's stop in Jason's office next and see what he's working on. Hello.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
What's all this stuff?
So, when I'm working on a couple of different things, you can come over here actually and have a look. So, one of the things I'm working on is the final corrections on our N-scale FP9A. So, this is an InDesign document. For example, this grab iron here was in the wrong location. So, it's really just telling the factory, here's the photo, that's how it's supposed to look, and you got to match the photo, and that's easier than sending out all the specific measurements. Another thing that I do sort of while I'm doing project management is I do a lot of our social media. So the newsletters, in this case, I've just uploaded a new cover photo to our Facebook, which shows our dining car because the order deadline is coming up for that. I do a lot of dividing between product design and social media, and then there's also the back end of running the company, making sure we can pay our bills, though Janet helps a lot with that.
Yes, she does.
Yeah. Oh, how do you like my new office, by the way?
Yeah, it's fantastic. Very retro.
It's
very
mid-century
in right
modern.
now. Exactly.
Yeah.
We got all this stuff going on over
Teak.
here. We got Got the C3PO and
That's not C3PO, you hoser.
monster from the swamp or whatever it's
No,
called.
that's not. Come on.
A bus going to Uxbridge here. I'm gonna borrow this one.
No, hey, that's mine.
Take that
It's
with
my
me.
bus.
Very
It's
nice.
my
All right, I got
bus.
some other offices to visit,
my
so
bus.
I'll be seeing you later.
My Jordan.
Bye, Jason.
Mine. Jordan.
Okay. Oh, I know.
Mine.
Goodbye.
Jordan.
Hey, Mike, what are you working on today? Right now I'm working on our new dealer portal where we're going to allow dealers to place orders online. Mike is our IT manager. He's responsible for the IT.
Wait, is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
You don't want to know more about my job?
Nope.
Hey, where are you going?
Go back to work. Don't stop following me. All right, now let's stop in at Mohan's office. Hi, Mohan. How's it going?
Going well. Hi, John. How are you?
Pretty good, thanks. So tell everyone what you do here.
I'm the director of technology and for projects. I look after that. I also do a lot of sound files. That's one of the interesting things.
Oh yeah. Which sound files are you working on right now?
What I'm doing right now is the B36.
Mhm.
That's one of our new models.
Another model I need for my layout.
Oh, absolutely. It's
Mhm.
beautiful. So I'm working on the Doppler horn part of it. And this is what the Leslie S3L sounds like.
All right. Wow, that sounds really great.
Mhm.
So we have different sounds on the decoder for each different horn that the locomotives came
Oh
with.
yes, and the customer can very easily change it by changing series.
Mhm, mhm.
See, I'll show you. You heard that the other Doppler, here's another one. How's that?
Very nice, very nice. It's easy to change these sounds on a standard DCC system, correct?
Absolutely.
Oh,
It's
excellent.
just a CV change, very simple. It's always on our manual, so
All right,
it's easy.
fantastic. And I guess on that note, it's time to move along and see who else we should visit.
Bye, Jordan.
Right.
Thank you.
Thanks for letting me stop by.
Welcome.
As you can see, we just expanded our warehouse. Let's go over to Cargo Bay 2 and see the shipment that the guys just received. This isn't model trains. What is this thing?
Jason ordered it.
Hey, what is this thing?
Hey, word, man, don't touch that.
Oh, jeez.
What was that thing?
Well, clean up in Bay 2.
Hey, you can't do that. Get back here. I'm the CEO. Now that that's all cleaned up, let's have a walk around the rest of the office.
Prepare to be assimilated.
And some crusher evasive maneuvers. Get back to work.
Busy.
Get back to work.
Get back to work. We're busy.
Okay, next let's go see Dan Garcia. We also call him Gomez. He takes care of all our dealer issues as well as ordering information.
Yeah, by all means. Yes, the B1200s? No. We are long since sold out of those. Yeah, well, and this is what happens, right? So.
Let's just leave him to it. Okay, and finally we've got Listra here. She's our newest employee.
I'm
She's
leaving.
taking care of a...
You guys are crazy. I'm leaving.
Hang on a minute.
I am leaving. You
But it's
guys
not
are
5
crazy.
o'clock yet.
I don't want to talk to you. I'm
Come
leaving.
back.
And why are you following me? Please don't follow me. I'm leaving. I'm
She just kind of
leaving.
walked off. That was
Did
very
Lister
strange.
just quit?
Yeah, I think so. That was very odd. I don't know if she's coming back or not.
Huh.
Well, that's a look at Rapido Trains Inc. On that note,
I'm not
Rosalind's
telling
about
Jason.
to go. No, you're going to go
I'm
tell him.
not telling Jason.
I'm
This is
heading
all
out
you,
myself. Bye. Okay, so next let's get a look at Jason's kosher kitchen and the photo studio. Mohan, what are you doing in here? This is Jason's kosher kitchen.
Yes, and these are Jason's kosher chips. Would you like one?
I wouldn't mind if I do.
They're nice.
Very good.
What are you looking at?